Hey, if you owned your house for at least a couple years, there's something you're going to want to know about, and that's your home equity. If you're not familiar with that term, home equity, Freddie Mac defines it like this: your home's equity is the difference between how much your home is worth and how much you owe on your mortgage. That means your equity grows as you pay down your home loan over time and as home values climb. And while that's true that home prices dipped slightly last year, they rebounded and have been climbing in many areas of San Diego since then. Here's why that price growth is good news for you. In the latest Equity Insights report, Selma Hepp, chief economist at CoreLogic, explains, with price gains continuing to help homeowners build wealth, equity has reached a new high and regained losses that resulted from declines last year. And while the average U.S. homeowner gained over $20,000 in additional equity compared with the third quarter of 2022, some markets, like ours here in San Diego, are seeing larger increases as price growth catches up. And that figure is just for last year. To help you really understand, how that number can add up over time, the report also says that the average homeowner with a mortgage has more than $300,000 in equity. That much equity can have a huge impact. Here are a few examples of how you can put your home equity to work for you. Number one, buy a home that fits your needs. If your current space no longer meets your needs, it might be time to think about moving to a bigger home. And if you have too much space, downsizing to a smaller one could be a better move. Either way, you can put your equity toward a down payment on something that better fits your changing lifestyle. Number two, reinvest in your current home. And if you're not ready to move just yet, you can use the equity that you have to improve your current home. But it's important to consider the long-term benefits certain upgrades can bring to your home's value. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. If you want to know, more about which projects to prioritize to get the greatest return on your investment for when you go to sell later. Number three, pursue personal ambitions. Your home equity can also serve as a catalyst for realizing your lifelong dreams, okay? That could mean reinvesting into new business ventures, retirement, or even funding education. While you shouldn't use your equity for unnecessary spending, using it responsibly for something meaningful and impactful can really make a big difference in your life. And number four, understand your options to avoid foreclosure or financial distress. While the number of foreclosure filings remain low or below norm, there are still some homeowners who go into foreclosure each and every year. If you're in a tough spot financially, having a clear understanding of your options can be very helpful. Your equity can act as a cushion if you're not able to make your mortgage payments on time. So if you want to know how much equity you have in your home so that you can use it to help reach your goals, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out from making a move, reach out by phone, email, or book a call directly on my calendar using the contact information in the description below, and we can talk about your next best steps to make that happen in today's market. Otherwise, I highly recommend that you check out the video that we're going to be putting on the screen now and subscribe to our channel to keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping.